Hey kids, and welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. My name's Phil Shinbine from the Shinbine Drum Company and a new YouTube channel that I started recently called Gradually Wizardly. This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we're going to talk about this.
What?
Do the thing we talked about. Dun, 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 dun. This unit here is Sherwood's new 1 horsepower wall-mounted extraction unit, the FM230 MC. MC stands for Mic Control. Master of Ceremonies? Mr. Chips? I could give you all the specs on it, like it does have 590 cubic appendages per minute of airflow. I hope whoever discovered that you can get 590 cubed feet through this unit in a minute is in jail now, because that's kind of disgusting. For those of you that, prefer the metric system, because, you don't live in the 50s or America, this thing will do 16.71 cubic meters per minute of air. It's a lot less graphic than a bunch of feet going through this thing. So this is a 1 horse motor. Like I said, it does run on just simple 1-phase power. You don't need to do any electronics whatsoever. It has, this nice little switch cover and all this, on off. You push this and it kills it. This end of this unit, though efficient and very solid and very well made and backed by a 5-year warranty, I should say, isn't a particularly revolutionary design. I've had something like this in my own shop since 2014-ish, but what makes this so much more superior than mine is that it has this pleated filter cartridge and a bag on it, right? Mine came with the old-fashioned, outdated needle bag that would clog up and just kind of kill the whole machine itself. It doesn't work as efficiently as one with a pleated filter cartridge on it. This filter cartridge will filter up to 1 micron of material, right? Which is just fantastic. That's an awkward way to say it, but you know what I'm talking about. This bag comes off with a simple clamp, and you can just chuck that in the bin, or dump that into the bin, I suppose, if you wanted to be clever about it. I was actually thinking about this the other day. I wonder if we could cut this bag up and, stretch it over a bin lid and put a hole in the bin lid, and then you can just wheel the bin out. But that's neither here nor there. But a nifty little thing that they've added on just for funsies, to save space in a smaller shop, is the fact that it comes with casters on it, so you can roll it around, but it also comes with a pair of hooks, so you can hang it on the wall. The handy thing about the hooks is they are deep enough that you don't have to take the casters off, which I thought was a pain in the backside with my own version when I went to hang it on the wall. It's not too heavy to lift and put up there, but I'm actually winded. But that just goes to show you, it is a solid unit, it is well made, and as is usually the case, it kind of sucks. This unit is fantastic for anybody with a small shop, like myself actually. Mine runs just next to my table saw, and I've also now got my router running into it, but it's generally 1 machine at a time, not a heap of pipes, to get there, you're good. This is the machine for you. If you can hang it on the wall, it takes up no floor space. And if you can hang it high on the wall, it's even better. There you have it. Sherwood's FM230 MC. If you have a small shop, this is the extraction unit for you. There's a link to this as well as everything else in the Timbicon store down below in the doobly-doo. If you need a bigger extraction unit, there are bigger ones than this from which you can choose. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Tell everybody you know and all that fun stuff. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. It's usually related to this one, maybe some other extraction unit, maybe something with my glorious beard in it. We don't know. This video down here, however, we chose. So we like it. We hope you do too. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you.